What's up, YouTube? Been a long time, but I'm still here. I'm just not there. Yeah, if the surroundings kind of look a little different, it's because they are. We made a decision to move and closer to Cindy's work, so she wouldn't have such a long commute. And so anyway, we I've got plans to build a new shop up here. I've ordered it, but just hadn't come in yet. You know, everything's crazy now. Everything's held up, behind, shortages. We got a 40 by 50 I'm gonna put up here, red steel building. I've got it staked off. So anyway, I'll be shooting a little content. It'll be just sporadic, different stuff until I get that shop built up here. I thought I'd show y'all this. It's a project that I picked up. Chips and Sparks knows a little bit about these things. It's a 51 Ford pickup that I bought. It's an all original truck. The guy was driving it. The last tag that was on it was in 1987. The exhaust manifold broke on it, split. It's kind of loud, and he just pulled it in the edge of the woods, switched it off, and parked it. So I've already fired the truck up. It runs pretty good. See if I can open this hood. Get up under here. Oh, there we go. It's still got the flathead in it. I've still got to do the fuel system, put a diaphragm in the fuel pump. I put new plug wires, plugs, distributor cap, rotor button, new coil, all that stuff. My buddy Rick had all that stuff in his warehouse. I was able to get that from him. I plan just to leave it original. Leave the patina it's got. I think it looks pretty cool like it is. I'll buy some new tires, redo the brakes. It's been sitting so long, I'll have to do the master cylinder and brakes and everything. But I got out here the other day and pulled the gas tank out of it, and from the looks of it, it's probably just going to go to the recycler, because it's pretty doggone bad. I was hoping it wouldn't be real bad and I could just use it, but you know, they make these things, you can buy them brand new, so I'll do that. Inside, it's okay. The rubber mat was still in here, and you know, where the insulation of rubber mat was over it. Of course, it stayed wet and moist and it rusted, but I'll be able to put a floor in it, new sheet metal. Around the back, up under the seat, everything's pretty good. And this is pretty solid old truck. I think it looks pretty cool just like it is. All right, well, I'm gonna head down to the other property. Still got some stuff to do down there. Still got the 55 in there. I'll give you an update on it. I've done a little bit, just piddling here and there, but not a whole lot. So we'll run down there and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm down here at my other shop. I'm gonna show y'all the 55. I got a couple of things done to it. Not a lot. All the all the garnish moldings. I got all that welded together, ground down, and all 4 pieces on here. I don't know if I showed this on my other videos or not. I had some rust in these areas right here on both sides. I kind of cleaned all that up, fixed it. Had a little place right here on this side. I think the remainder of the rust and the rust repair is going to be right here on these corners where that seal holds water, and it's not too bad. Yeah, I might find a little in the front windshield channel, but I'll just have to grind it off and see what I got. But yeah, I bolted the shut the door too hard. I bolted the hood on here and this fender on just so whenever I move it up there, and I got to store it. I bought another 40-foot container that's at my other place, and I bought it to store these in, the 55 and the 39, until I get my shop put up. I think they're looking at maybe September for the shop to come in and then get started putting it up. So I made arrangements, bought a container so that I would have a place to store all this stuff if and when this place sells. I hadn't really moved a lot out of here because I can still come down here. Like my lawnmower tore up. The clutch that runs the blades finally went out on me, so I had to order another one of those. Gotta fix that. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Hadn't really been doing a lot as far as working on this thing. I've got to go buy a chainsaw right now. Got some trees and stuff I gotta move up there to make room for the shop. Within the next, I'd say, month, I need to get my backhoe up there so I can kind of clear off the spot and get ready to grade it off and pour the cement, concrete and stuff. But anyway, just thought I'd give y'all a little peek at this. And yeah, I hadn't been doing a bunch, but moving, man, I'm telling you, when you've been in a spot for a long time, and I guess somewhat of a hoarder when it comes to car parts, you got a lot of stuff to move. So I've been working on a lot of that. I could have videoed some of it, but it was hot, and I was just trying to get it done. But anyway, I'm going to come back on here periodically and shoot a video, and like when they start with my shop and that kind of thing, and let y'all know where I'm at. I'll shoot some video, cleaning up the area, getting ready for the shop, and keep y'all informed. And then we get the shop built, we'll get back on these things and hopefully finish them up and get some more projects and just stay busy. All right, well, I'm going to end this video here, and leave me a like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think. I'll try to keep y'all up to date. Anyway, I appreciate y'all, and we'll check with y'all later. See ya.